Hey guys, I do not want to make this video again, so whether this sucks or whether it rocks, it's staying like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change back this program to what it was before. And so it's a pretty simple kissc program. And what it does is it starts up a motor at full speed, and then as you press the digital sensor, it will change it, race it back and forth. Okay, so let's run it through my utility. And what this is going to do is it should run. Whoops, I'm not even in the directory. That would suck. Okay. It should create a main.java in the directory we want, or in the working directory. And what is it giving us? It can't find it. Oh, because stupid dolphin likes screwing with the command line. Okay, so it generated it for us. And here's what it generated. Pretty simple Java program. And now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste that into Eclipse. And whoops, I forgot to put back all in this we need to make it work. So all that stuff I deleted at the beginning was necessary. And the cool thing about this is that c2j.h allows you to keep your programming compiling in kissc, but still change it to be able to be converted in my utility. So this is a member. All c2j members are members of your main class. So that's all functions and all variables. Okay. And int main with the curly bracket, it's very important, becomes c2j entry. And at the beginning of your program, you need c2j program start. At the end of it, you need c2j program end. Okay, so now it's converted and it's ready to be used. Let's go back here and let's make our main, reload. And as you can see, now we have a class and everything. So let's go ahead and put this into Eclipse. And Eclipse isn't flipping out like last time. It's going to give you that weird exception. I'm still working on that. I think I have a solution. Okay, we're going to download it. And right now the plugin sucks. I'm really working on making it better. So now we're going to run it on the CBC. And as you can hear, the motor is running. And as I press the touch sensor, you can hear it going back and forth. Okay, so here's a bit of functionality that is testable. And what this utility really was meant to do is migrate you over to Java. It wasn't meant to continue to go back and forth like this. So it's not very good for just doing that. Void double speed. Okay, so what this should allow us to do is check to see if multiple yeah, that's right. If multiple methods work, which in Java they're methods, so I'm going to refer to them as methods. Okay, and so that should multiply our two speeds by 2, and you can't be over 100, obviously, so we're going to tone it down to 50. And whoops, I'm not sure why I ran that utility on. Okay, now we're going to run it here. We're going to open this. It created our stuff right here. And we're not going to call it yet, but we're just going to see what it does at half speed. Okay. We're just going to. Okay. Now I'm just going to drag this down here because it's really bothering me. Okay. Yeah, we're going to. Oh yeah, download it. So now we're going to the create CBC. Okay, so as you can probably tell, it's running at half speed, and it's not near as loud. And I'm switching it back and forth. Okay, now we're going to stop it. And now we're going to call that function. And since this is meant to migrate you over, I'm just going to call it from Java. And by the way, everyone's been giving me crap about using Java, like, oh, that's such a disgusting language, and I completely agree. But I think that Java has found its niche here, and it's really nice. I mean, I usually would bash Java any day of my waking life, but I don't know. It's really, I'm really liking it. Okay, continuing. So we're compiling again. I mean, not compiling, downloading. Download complete. Also, I did to Jorge about why did they not do Java, and because I mean it is object-oriented and stuff, and I mean why not? And one of the reasons he stated, which I think is very good, is that very bad, but very good for very good explanation, is that some of the school districts are very locked down networking usage because this does require a networking cable right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a program that will download it through USB. So there's no need for networking. And we'll see what that happens. What happens from there. Okay, so we downloaded it. And as you can hear, it's running at full speed again. Pretty simple. And I'm moving it back and forth. Okay, some notes about this utility. You can't use preprocessor. So no defines, no includes, etc. And what it will do for you is if you have any, like this, it will comment it out, like this. So that's pretty helpful. And another thing, Printf, it will not be converted for you because the CBC version of Java that we're using doesn't include any formatting stuff. So what it will do is it will go ahead and give you the function that you need to use, which is system.out.print, but it will comment it. So you'll be able to just uncomment it if you're not having any formatting arguments. But if you are, then you need to add the concatenation stuff to make it work, just like you normally would in Java. Okay, and so that's about it. I'm going to set up an SVN server tonight. Not S server, I'll probably just use SourceForge actually. And I'm going to set up cbcjava on there so people will be able to download it and to try it out, report back, etc. And I encourage everyone to give it a try. I'd really like to hear the feedback. Okay, well, thanks for watching.